Hey there, today we will be using Gmate COVID-19 self-test kit, so, let's have a look on what is inside the box. We will receive a product manual, a test card. We will also receive a plastic bag. Inside the bag, we have a test tube container, a funnel to collect saliva samples, and a lid to close the test tube. As Gmate is a saliva test kit, the best samples of saliva is collected morning, before you eat, or brush your teeth, or, you need to make sure that you do not drink or eat 30 minutes to an hour before collecting saliva samples. To start collecting samples, remove the funnel and test tube from the bag. Open the tube collector. Next, insert the funnel into the tube collector with reagent. Breathe deeply, exhale the deep sputum from your throat into the funnel. Fill up half the tube with samples. It's okay if you filled more than half. Once you are done, remove the funnel, close the tube with the lid provided. Squeeze the tube 20 times, and shake the tube 20 times, to mix samples with reagent. Once you are done, leave the tube idle, for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open up the test card. Drop 4 drops of mixed samples into the test card. Next, set alarm for 15 minutes. The results will be displayed in 15 minutes.